Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We'll spend some time in the shop today working with our lighting, video, and audio equipment. We'll also get a preview of just a few of the upcoming beekeeping projects this season. Please stay tuned. Hey everyone, in upcoming episodes we're going to have a number of different beekeeping projects to share with you. Let me give you a heads up as to what's in store. One project we're going to do is we're going to rebuild and set my 8 deep frame storage tote swarm trap. We're going to rebuild and set my yellow jacket trap, and we're also going to establish some strong colonies this summer. We're going to begin by picking up my package and establishing this double nuke box that's split all the way down through. Another project we're going to do is a review. We're going to review this gas vap oxalic acid vaporizer that I purchased from the UK. I had it shipped over. I took a quick glimpse at it, but I haven't opened it yet and went through it. We'll open it up, we'll test it. I've got oxalic acid, I've got butane. One thing that I'm going to do is to see if we can get it up to the 450 degree temperature that is desired for the sublimation of the oxalic acid. Supposedly there's a difference between vaporizing it and sublimating it, and to sublimate it, which is what you want, you need to get up to that higher temperature range. So we'll experiment with this a little bit. I don't pretend to be an expert beekeeper. I know a few things. I've watched many YouTube videos and put a few seasons in. If you see something I'm doing wrong, give me a break, but tell me in the comments below. I appreciate that. I have a package on order from Better Bee Beekeeping Supply in Greenwich, New York. They're very prominent in the Northeast, and they have a system set up for people to be able to pick up their nukes and their packages by driving through. They're going to load them into the vehicles, and I'll take you along on that trip to pick up the bees. It should be interesting to see how they do it, so stay tuned for that. Since my last video where I disassembled the dead out hive, I took all the frames, froze them, and then put them in the storage bins. They should hold off for a little while until I'm ready to put them in new hives this summer. If there are any of these projects that you'd like to see before the others, please let me know in the comments below. Setting up the split hive double nuke, rebuilding and setting the yellow jacket trap, rebuilding and setting the storage tote swarm trap, or reviewing the gas vap oxalic acid vaporizer.